Assalamu alaikum, students of class 7th. I hope you are fine and enjoying your online classes. Today we will start our chapter 11, which is dispersion of light. Light is a form of energy. Light can pass through a vacuum. Light can travel in a straight line at a very high speed. In a vacuum, light travels with a speed of 300,000 km per second. It travels through different speeds through different substance. Now our topic is refraction. If you put a pencil in a water, what's happened? It appears to bend where it enters to the water. What is happening with the pencil? It is because of the change in the speed of light has made it change direction. As we learned, the speed of light changes in different substance. Here, the speed of light changes into a rare medium to denser medium. The rare medium is the air and the denser medium is the water. When light rays travel from air to water, they slow down and change direction. They make the pencil look bent where it enters the water. Refraction is the name given to this change in the speed of light. A ray of light is always refracted in a definite direction. Students, I will show you more with the law of refraction, how light rays are bent or refracted by a block of glass. This is a light ray goes into a denser medium from air to glass. It bends towards the normal. As light passes from denser medium to rare medium, from glass or water to air, it bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. This is the change in speed from rare medium to denser medium and from denser medium to rare medium. This is called the law of refraction. We learned that light travels faster in lighter medium like air. It is faster in vacuum. And light travels slower in denser medium like water and glass. The speed of light changes when it enters from rare medium or thinner medium to denser medium. This is called refraction.